On November 1st, 2023, Takudzwa Ngadziore, a CCC member of parliament, was abducted right outside his home in Harare. Armed men kidnapped him, blindfolded him, and subjected him to brutal torture. What's even more horrifying? They broadcasted the entire ordeal live on Facebook. Ngadziore survived, but he was left with severe injuries and had to be hospitalized. Now he's fighting back. On July 13, 2024, he filed a $150,000 lawsuit against some heavy hitters, CIO operatives Nicholas Kajese and Abraham Pasi, along with CIO Director General Isaac Moyo, Police Commissioner General Godwin Matanga, and Home Affairs Minister Kazembe Kazembe. Represented by the Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, Ngadziore isn't just seeking compensation for the physical pain. He's also addressing the severe mental anguish and humiliation he endured. His lawsuit is a bold move to highlight the rampant human rights abuses and the abuse of power by state security agents in Zimbabwe. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep an eye on this case as it unfolds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on this and other important stories. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe. Shoo.